That $5 purchase is costing you thousands, and you don't even see it happening. It's just $5. That's what you tell yourself. It's nothing. I deserve this. I work hard, and you're right. $5 is nothing, but $5 every day, that's everything. Let's do the math. $5 a day is $35 a week. That's $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. $1,800 on one small daily habit. Now, stretch that out. In 5 years, that's $9,000. In 10 years, $18,000. In 20 years, $36,000. Gone. Not invested, not saved. Not working for you, just gone. On something you barely remember buying. And it's not just coffee. It's the energy drink, the vending machine snack, the impulse buy at checkout, the app purchase, the extra guac. Each one feels like nothing, but together they're a fortune you're lighting on fire every single year. Here's what hurts. That same money invested could grow to over $50,000 in 20 years. You're not just spending $5. You're spending $5 plus everything it could have become. I'm not saying never buy coffee. I'm saying know what it's costing you. Make it a choice, not a habit you never questioned. The Finance Reset Toolkit shows you exactly what your spending habits are costing. You enter your expenses and see where every dollar goes. Then you simulate changes. What if you cut that daily expense in half? What if you redirected it to savings? The app shows you exactly how fast your goals would grow. People using this system found hundreds of dollars in small purchases they didn't realize were adding up. They didn't feel deprived. They just made smarter choices once they saw the real numbers. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.